Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you how I built a 100 decibel loud plasma gun and how I upgraded it so it can shoot stuff. For anyone who doesn't know what a plasma gun is, it's a weapon that makes a loud bang with a large flame and a strong pressure wave. Let's start with the materials. For the weapon you need two bottles, a hose, a gas burner with piezo ignition, a rod to attach everything, hot glue and cable ties. In addition, the hose should be transparent so that the fireball can be seen. First you have to cut a 2 cm hole in the first bottle and an 8 cm hole in the back of the second bottle. Then glue them together to the bottlenecks with hot glue. Now you need your rod. I got an iron rod that I cut to 60 cm, and while I was sawing, this happened to me. Oh mein Gott, habe ich mich erschreckt. Next you have to attach the bottles and the gas burner to the rod with cable ties. Now all you have to do is attach the hose. One end goes on the burner and the other in the bottle. Wrap the hose around the bottle several times, like I did, and secure everything with cable ties. Check that there are no kinks in the hose. Now I will show you how to shoot. It's very simple. All you have to do is to turn on the gas tap and ignite it after a few seconds. It's a lot of fun to shoot with this weapon, but it would be a lot more fun to be able to shoot things like these arrows. For this reason I designed an attachment in Fusion 360 that goes on the front of the bottle and where you can insert the arrows. First an actual attachment that goes on the bottle. You should then be able to put other attachments on it, like this arrow or this cartridge attachment. I wanted to connect them with a thread. Since I couldn't manage to print a suitable thread, I decided on this connection. Then I printed everything with PLA, which took over 13 hours. But it was worth it. These are the parts and how you can see everything fits. Now we finally want to test the weapon. After attaching the attachment with cable ties, I can finally shoot. And as you can see, the arrows shoot out at great speed. Then I tried the whole thing again in my garden. The arrows flew over 11 meters. But suddenly a cable tie broke. Apparently the pressure was too high. Next, I wanted to test the cartridge. Bruh. Unfortunately, it didn't fly far. It was probably too heavy because I designed it too massive. Now, all that's missing is the red ball. I'm excited to see how far this one flies. Oh my god. It went so far away that I can't find the ball. Or not. Apparently, it rolled out of the barrel when I started the video. Okay, then let's try again. Wow, the bullet was fast. I'm amazed at how much power the plasma gun has. The red ball and the arrows flew the furthest at over 11 meters. I will continue to improve the weapon and bring you updates. If you want the STL print files of the adapters, you can download them on my Discord server. Next, I would like to build a boga, which comes from the Philippines. Like and subscribe so you don't miss anything.